Gold and silver traded in a narrow range throughout the day, gold with modest bullishness while silver has stayed flat. We have seen one good thing is both have respected the resistance. Earlier in the day I have mentioned why 3230 levels are critical here for gold or for silver on the upside, and for gold 2666 levels here. It has breached, it has moved towards 2668, failed to stay above 2666. We have seen prices reversing. Now, important day today, the NFP data is going to be the driving factor. It is going to bring huge volatility, which direction the metals are going to take, how we can profit, where to enter, where to exit. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. And this is the only channel in the world to give you two detailed analysis a day with proper reasoning for where to enter, where to exit, and how to profit. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. Now, first on the hourly chart, see gold has yet to break below 2654. That is the only selling level, as we have discussed earlier in the day. If you look at the move, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement. Now what is happening here? You can see higher lows are seen and higher highs are seen. This is trying to form a bullish flag, and now again if you see the price is trading about 2664.66, and then 2670.71 will come. Beyond that 2674.76. If these three levels are taken, you can just stay bullish. We are looking forward to a massive move towards 2684.85, and in fact it can reach 2700. But not to forget that there are greater resistances available on the upside, and that is where 2654.50 levels will come into picture here, because breaking below which is where you can see more bearishness. If you look at the movement here, see, moving averages have crossed over. These are running parallel and are staying bullish, while the stochastic has come to oversold levels. So this calls for a recovery, which means a greener candles from now. While the MACD has crossed over and it is trading with divergence, this is a slight bearish sign. So both the stochastic and the MACD are running opposite, and it appears we have to wait for a while before it gives a confirmation here. RSI running flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see, after the crossover we have seen modest bullishness here in gold prices. And just have a look at the near term, how gold is traded here is, see, this is the bigger decline, then a retracement, strong bullishness is seen, and since then we have seen gold making this flag, and now after the breakout it is just consolidating here in a zone. Now remember one thing again, I am saying once it breaks below 2654 and 2650 levels, we can look forward to a massive down move which is going to deliver lower lows here, which can in fact take the prices towards 2630 and 2620 levels as well. So right now the moment is very much range bound, and as long as 2674.76 is not taken today, we should not be treating gold as bullish. This is very, very clear. The stochastic at bottom, while the MACD is trading with moderate bullishness here, and the RSI is running flat. On the 3-hour chart, the observation is more or less same on the 3-hour charts. After this big bullish move, then the retracement, then again a bullish move, then a retracement, failing to break below the support zone. We have to just wait for it to break below the support levels. That will be the only confirmation of bearishness. Else, see, couple of bullish candle, couple of bearish ones, and now even if it breaks beyond 2662, I think we can look forward to further highs towards 2670.72 and 74.76. Possibility is there. Yes, the stochastic though has dropped a bit. The MACD is almost running flat here, and it is running at almost a neutral line, neither on the buy side nor on the sell side here. RSI is also running flat. On the 4-hour chart, now likewise on the 4-hour chart, this is important to note how it is performing. Just draw this graph and you can find out, despite the spikes here, prices have not traded bullish, and it is just consolidating around this zone for a while now, staying in the box. On the downside 2640, very critical support. On the upside 2670.76, a very critical resistance. And if you narrow it a bit, you will find 2664.66 and 2644. So this is the zone of 20, or you can say 200 pips or $20, where the movement is consolidated here. So now it has to come out of this zone in order to confirm a direction. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD almost running flat. Neither bulls nor bears are in control here, and RSI is running flat as well. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, look at the preceding two candles. See, increasing body size, increasing bearishness. Second thing is the tails here. Bigger tails are observed for the last two candles. This suggests that the prices were not willing to stay bearish, and that is where we have seen prices rising here. Now today what it has done, it has delivered higher highs. Can it move towards the lower lows? Lower lows here means 26, 30, 35 levels. And yes, staying below 2640 is where increasing bearishness will be seen. One more point to note here is the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 2620. Now, looking at the move here, there is a possibility of a drop, but right now it is staying bullish as it has already achieved higher and the candle is still in green. So once it breaks below 2654, then only you should take a selling entry. Let's have further look. See, on the daily charts, another way to look at the charts here is it is trading in this channel here, highs, lows, highs. The possibility of lows here appears strong, but right now the stance is not very much bearish. It is still looking upwards and trading bullish. Stochastic is rising here, but look at MACD. See, this is just crossed over. It is having an open mouth and it is just two candles away. Now this gives a very strong probability that there could be a retracement candle from here, or fewer more retracement candles from here, which can take the prices lower. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. So looking at this, before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. It offers you a safer environment, thus you can trade safe and profit. Now, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy now at 64 levels. Be careful till 2670, 71.5 first resistance, 2674, 76 the second one. If these two resistances are taken, we are looking forward to a stronger move, which is going to take the prices towards 2682, 85. And if 2682.85 is taken this time, we are looking forward to a greater move, taking it till towards 2695, 2700 levels as well. Possibilities there. Once it breaches the all-time highs at 2685, we can see a strong bullish momentum. Be watchful of that. While on the downside, you should not forget that the swings can be there, and if you see the price is trading below 2654, take a sell. Expect 2650.48 first target zone, 2644 second, 2640 third, and below 2640 is where we can wait for 2630.32 and 2620 levels. Below 2620.22 is where further stronger bearish momentum will prevail, and then in fact the possibility of a move towards 2600 can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver on the hourly chart. First of all, 30 levels, multiple candles getting reversed from this zone. We have seen in the recent past this and this. So now this is one crucial zone, 3220, 3230. Once silver breaks this zone, then you can stay bullish, else it is right now trying to consolidate a bit. If you look at the move here, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now both the retracements have come down towards 20 period moving average, and the support levels here at 32 appears to be very strong. So today if you see silver trading below 3190, when you see the higher price below 3190, take a selling at below 3190. We can see a move to 3170, 3150.40, and if 3150.40 is taken, just stay short. We can look forward to a further greater move here. Let's see where it can move towards. But see, if you see the stochastic, this has hit the bottom and it is looking upwards. It can deliver a greener candle, while the MACD has just crossed over and it is trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. This is the third time it has crossed over, and this can lead to further bearish. RSI comfortable here, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, look at the movement here. If you trace the movement for silver on the 2 hour charts, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now this time it is not that it is going to reverse from half the way down. The possibility of a full move towards 3170 levels exists, and if it breaches 3140, you can say that this is the reversal here. Else what is happening, if it reverses from half the way here, you can just say that once it breaches 3240 levels, you can just stay bullish for 3260, 3280, and in fact 3310 levels are also possible. Moving averages here are looking upwards. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. MACD for the third time trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is also trying to trade with slight bullishness. Coming to 3 hour chart. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, rise, retracement, and it is waiting for it to deliver another bullish move. But I can say right now the bulls are not very much in control. Yes, it can try to deliver a spike if it stays above 3220, 3230 zone. You can say we can look forward to a move towards 3250, 60, or in fact 3280 levels as well. Yes, the moving averages right now are trading bullish, and if it tries to trade on the downside, we should notice that there are greater supports available for silver till towards 3150-40 levels. A stochastic dropping sharp, MACD is in green, rising here, RSI is also rising here, and on the 4 hour, the observation on the 4 hour charts is same. See lower highs, and this is a bearish candle, this is an indecision candle. It can completely reverse, hitting the lower highs. It can completely reverse, and once it drops below 3190 levels, chances for 3180, 70 will be high, and in fact 3140, 50 levels can also be seen here. Yes, if you connect the dots, you can find out silver is just trading in this channel where the lows at 3170 are going to remain now prime important support, breaking below which we are looking forward to a strong bearish move. Now if you look at the 4 hour charts here in with detail, see the rise, the retracement, the rise, and right now if you connect it, you will find lower highs and lower lows means 30-50 levels. So we have to wait today. The direction can be a stronger one. A breakout is awaited. The breakout, whichever direction it takes, it is going to definitely deliver a stronger move here. Stochastic dropping sharp. The MACD, if you look at it, is still rising, divergent, bullish, and the RSI is rising as well. And on the daily, first of all, on the daily charts, connect the dots here, you will find silver is trading in this channel. Second is, if you divide this into two and if you look at these candles here, you can find out how strong is the resistance here in this zone. Thus, you have to be extremely careful. If silver shows a rise, we have to be extremely watchful and alert as long as it stays below 3220, 3240 zone. Beyond this, 3260, 3280, and in fact 3310 is possible here. If it gives a breakout, it is going to be stronger. Next thing to note here, it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average. And the third one is, see the last three candles, we have seen good swings. Yesterday's candle was important, a very small body and a bigger tail suggests that the bulls were there but not very much excited for a stronger bull run. What has happened today, hitting the higher highs, it is trying to reverse, and thus it can in fact move towards higher lows, that is 3150, and in fact lower lows or low higher lows towards 31, 3120. So till 31 a move is possible towards 31. Below that more bearishness will prevail. Stochastic rising, look at the MACD almost running flat. It tried to cross over, failed to do so. RSI is running. Now considering this, when you see the lower price above 3220, remember when I tell you the lower price, eliminate the spreads, this price has to be above 3120. You can buy here, but then you have to be extremely cautious till 3240 levels. Once it breaks this, we can look forward to 3255, 60, 3280, and then 3310 levels are also possible. Beyond 3310, extreme bullishness will prevail here. While on the downside, a selling entry is at 3195 levels. When you see the higher price below 3195, you can take a selling entry, expect 3175, 3155, 3135, and then 31 levels here. Yes, 31, 31.15 is going to remain the prime support zone if at all silver shows any down move today, below which you can expect a tremendous drop, taking the prices towards 30.50 as well. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do not miss to subscribe and share, friends. This is a great support, and do like and comment. This is always a great motivation. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you and a happy weekend.